In this video, I will show you how to duplicate this funnel for free, build your own email list, and make 100% commission on the one-time offers. That is $12 for the one-time offer number 1 and $17 for OTO number 2. I will give you, of course, the access to the share codes to instantly import the funnel pages, and for the rest of this video I will show you how to set up everything together. What's up friends, Amar here, and if you are watching this video on YouTube, please give it a like and click the link in the description below to get access to this free rebrandable funnel. But if you are already on the thank you page, then congratulations, you can start implementing the system right away. Let me take a minute to explain how this system works. So after setting up the system, this landing page will be yours, and this form here will be connected to your email list. So when you drive traffic to this page, all the people that will subscribe to from this form here will be added to your email list. So you are building your email list and everything is done for you for that. So now when they subscribe, they will be redirected to the other funnel that will make you 100% commission. And as you can see here, the one-time offer number 1 gives you $12 and the one-time offer number 2 makes you $17. When those subscribers confirm their email address, they will be taken to the thank you page where I deliver the training for you and them to make recurring commissions on these two programs here, as you can see. And there is another training here, same programs, and here is the video that you are watching right now. The share codes for the landing page and the thank you page will be put here, and when you watch this video you will understand exactly what to do to replicate or duplicate this same funnel here. During that process, of course, you will be changing your affiliate links for these two programs here so that the commissions will go to you, and I will show you that in a few minutes. So the first thing you want to do is import the pages of this funnel, and for that you want to use this tool here called Leadsleap. So please, if you don't have an account yet on Leadsleap, click on this button here or on the link in the description below this video to create a brand new account. And let me go to this brand new account on Leadsleap. And by the way, this is a brilliant tool for anyone who is doing affiliate marketing, email marketing, or any make money online activities. You can actually use the full potential of this website when you upgrade to Pro, but everything we are doing today is doable on a free account on Leadsleap. So to import the pages, let's go to Page Manager here at the left hand side. Click on Page Manager, and as you can see, I don't have any pages yet. I'm going to use the share code that you will find on the thank you page to import the landing page first. So once here, click on the add new campaign and then give it a name. I'm just going to give it the name LP for landing page, but you can name it whatever you want. Just make it something that makes sense to remember that this is the landing page and not another page. And then you click add now. Now we have an empty page, and if I want to import the page using the share code that I will give you on the thank you page, you just click on the plus button here, and it's asking you here if you want to add a blank page and start it from scratch or use or import using a share code. So what you want to do then is paste the share code here and click import now. So let me do it and then show you. So I just pasted the share code and then click add now, and now I have a page which is already active, and this is the link for the landing page. I mean, this is the link for free members, but if you were a pro member on Leadsleap, you'll be able to give it a significant name here, a tag that makes sense, not just numbers and digits. You can click on the link to see it. So here is the imported landing page. It's exactly the same one that I showed you in the beginning. So our landing page is ready now, and if I want to make changes on it, I can click on this button here, Launch Editor, to make changes on it. The Leadsleap editor is very easy to use. You can just point something and make changes on the right hand side. There is one important thing. It says here that the landing page is not connected to an email list, and that's because we did not create the email list yet, but we will do it a little bit later and come back here and connect it to that list. Now let's go ahead and import the thank you page. So we will have to click on add another campaign here and give it a name. I'm just going to give it thank you page like this, but you can name it whatever you want. So click add now, and now I have TYP. This is the thank you page. It's empty. I'm going to click the plus sign to use the share code again, another share code for the thank you page, and click import now. I'll do it now and then show you. Okay, great. So now I have the thank you page here and the landing page here. If I want to see the newly imported thank you page, I click on the link here and it will show it to me here. So this is your thank you page. One important thing to do, you need to change the affiliate links on these buttons here and here also, and also here. So your subscribers, your future subscribers, will be your referrals on these two programs here, and if any one of them upgrades on these two programs, you will be making recurring commission on both of them. So let me show you what to do to change the affiliate links here. So you go back to Leadsleap, and in front of the thank you page you go to Launch Editor here, and it will open you the editor so you can make changes on the page. So as you can see here, you don't have to change anything, only the buttons here. So when you click on one button, you go to the right hand side and you will see the link right here. So this is my link. You want to change it and put your affiliate link for Leadsleap. The same thing for System.io. You click here and you put your own affiliate link for System.io. Now if you don't already have accounts on System.io, you can just click on this button here, make yourself a new account, go to the affiliate options, and then grab your affiliate link and bring it here. For Leadsleap, you can find your affiliate link at the bottom here. If you go to affiliate links and tools, this will be your affiliate link that you want to. Let me take it actually from here, Control C, and then I will go to the editor. I click the Leadsleap button here and then just paste it here, Control V, and don't forget to save. Okay, now you just did something. You changed the affiliate link here so that your future subscribers will be your referrals on Leadsleap, and you do that for all the buttons. The training, you don't have to change it, only the buttons. So now we have the landing page and we have the thank you page, and I put the links in a text document so I can use them later. This is the link for the landing page that I just imported, and this is my thank you page also that I just imported. And as you can see, this is a welcome email, because when someone subscribes to your list, he needs to receive a welcome email that will give him access to the thank you page page to assist the training and implement the method. So this is the subject line, welcome, free tools to make money online, and this is the email itself, and this line here will be a link to the thank you page, and this line here will be a link to the one-time offers that will make you 100% commission. So the next step now is to go ahead and create your email list under Leadsleap, and for that you want to find this link here at the left hand side, list manager, and as you can see there is no list yet here. So what you want to do is click on add a new list, and then you give it a name. Let's call it free tools, and then click add now. So you just created a list, but it's not configured yet, so we need to click on this button here, the gear, to activate the list and configure it. So click here, and it's asking for a few information here. First thing is the list name. You can name it whatever you want. The logo is not important, you can put it or not. The color also is not important, but this is very important actually. Redirect URL after verification. That means when someone opts to your landing page, to your list, he will receive a verification email that he needs to click. When he clicks that verification email, he needs to be redirected to the thank you page. So you want to grab your thank you page URL and put it here. Let's go ahead and grab it. This is the link for the thank you page. Right click, copy, and then Control V to paste it right here. Now your name will be the sender name. When people, when your subscribers receive emails from you, this is what will appear on the sender field. So you can put your own name or you can put a brand name. Let's put, for example, free tools. And this is the email that will be used as a sender. So you can use a domain name email, your own domain name email, or just a Gmail account. So let me grab this Gmail account email here and put it right here. Control V. Now the email needs to be verified, meaning that you need to prove that this is your email address, and for that they will send you a code that you need to bring and put here. So click here to send the code, and it says here that the code have been sent. So let me go to my email and check if I received the code. So I grab the code and put it here, and then it will ask you for your physical mailing address. You put it here, and then you tick this box here that you agree for the following regulations, and then you click save and activate, and it says here at the bottom, this list is now activated. So let's click again on this button, and my list now is activated. One other important thing is that we want to set up the emails. For the welcome email, as you can see, it's not set up yet. The verification email, we don't need to touch it. This is the email that will ask your subscribers to verify their email address, but here you need to put the welcome email that will be sent right away after people subscribe. So this, they give you a template or an example. You can just remove it, and then you grab the email, the welcome email that I will give you. So this is the subject line. You want to put it here, Control V, and then you grab the body, thank you and welcome until here, copy, and then you want to paste it here. Pay attention here, you need to put the links right here. So this is the link for your thank you page, and this is the link for the affiliate link for the one-time offers. So let's start with your thank you page. You select this, and then you grab the thank you page, the link for your thank you page, copy, and then you click on the link icon here, you paste the link, and you click OK. So this link is done. You can bold it if you want, like this, and then here you want to put the affiliate link that will make you 100% commission. Your affiliate link for 100% commission, you will get it from Warrior Plus. So I will leave actually another button on under this video so that you can click and you will get to this page. There will be a button here called Request Affiliate Link. So when you click on it, it will give you right here your affiliate link. So let's say this is your affiliate link. Of course, it's not your affiliate link. Your affiliate link will be here, and then I will go back to the welcome email and set it up. So my welcome email is here, and I want to put my affiliate link for the 100% commission right here. So click here and then paste the link and bold it, and then what you need to do, you need to click save changes. So this is a preview of the email. This is a working link, this is a working link, and then you click close. So you just set up your email list. Now, if you are a free member on Leadsleap, you cannot put like you cannot add email series that will go out automatically in the future days for your subscribers. But if you are a pro member, you can of course set up here multiple emails, like for a month or 2 months. Those emails will go automatically to your subscribers day in, day out. For me personally, one of the 2 reasons I upgrade my account on Leadsleap is the pre-scheduled email series. The second reason is the traffic. I mean, when you are a pro member on Leadsleap, you can set up 10 ads. Those ads will show up on the right hand side of the website here, and believe me, there are lots of people visiting Leadsleap and using it on daily basis, so you will get a good amount of targeted traffic from here, and you don't have to click other people's ads to receive traffic. When you are a pro member, your ads will show up here without you needing to click other people's ads. So there is one more and final step to set up to be done with this funnel, is to connect this email list with the landing page, so that anyone who subscribes from the landing page will be added to this list here and will receive the welcome email. So to do that, need remember this number here, list ID 2758, remember it, and then there is 0 subscribers on this list. So we want to go to our landing page by visiting Page Manager here, and after that you want to actually click on Launch Editor in front of the landing page, and inside the editor you will be able to connect the list with the landing page, and you can do it right here. As you can see here, number 2, list ID. So you need to click here and then get the list ID, and the only list that you have is this one here that we just created. So we click on it and then hit save. There is another option that you want to use. This field here, redirect subscriber to a custom URL. This is when they put their email address and click the submit button on the landing page, they will be redirected to the one-time offer, which is the previous link that I showed you that you will be getting from Warrior Plus. It's the same. So you want to get this link here. Actually, it's not this link. Your link will be appearing here when you request approval, and then what you need to do is go here and paste it right here, and don't forget to save. So when you save, you go back to the page. There's no more I mean the list is connected to the landing page, and you are done. Anyone who registers from your page will be entered into your email list, will receive the welcome email. You will be exposed to your affiliate link twice from the redirection after submitting the email, he will get to the affiliate link and also from the welcome email. So please, if you have any other questions, leave them in the description below this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next video.